All right, now we're on number 12. It's F concert scale. Now the scale ones are always a little tricky because they have those arpeggios in there. So before I even play, I want to check out the arpeggio, all right? And I just want to finger through the arpeggio to make sure I can do it. Remember those arpeggios, they just skip over, right? Line to line, they skip over the space. All right, so if I take a look at it, let's see. Dum, 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 dum. And notice that I have not an accidental, but I have something from the key signature that I need to put in my music there. Bum, dum, dee, dum, 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 dum. Dun, dun, dee, dun, dun, dee, dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dee, dun, dun, dee, dun, dun, dun. All right, well, let's try and play it and see how we go. All right, now this is in 2/4 time. Bum, 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 bum. So I'm right at the arpeggio. That's the 6 measures from the end, right where it says arpeggio. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. All right. How did you do with it? Those are the ones, it's usually the second measure there. Make sure you look at the key signature. If I'm a trumpet and I'm looking at that, I see that I have an F sharp, but it's not on the same line, right? It's on that bottom space. And remember, if I have an F sharp in there, it stays constant all the way through. If I have a sharp here, it means if I have an F sharp up here, it means all the Fs are sharp. If I have a B flat here, that means all the Bs are flat all the way here, all the way everywhere I am in the piece. Okay, so take a look at it. When it comes to the chords, where you have those 2 notes stacked on top of each other, remember you just pick one. Unless you're playing on FaceTime with someone else, then you can have them split off on the bottom, or they take the bottom or the top, whatever you want to do. So let's start number 12 all the way through. We'll get our metronome started again. Here we go, from the beginning. 1, 2, ready. Hopefully that went well for you. If it didn't, you know what? Keep practicing the arpeggio. If you spent all day today just practicing the arpeggios and you got better at that, great. Tomorrow, pick back up where you left off and try to play this whole thing again. They're a little tricky there with the scale, especially for brass instruments, because they don't go all the way up the scale. They try to ease you into the scale because of the range issue. But try it as much as you can and see what it takes to get that.